Thank you very much, Professor.
Thank you
for your really interesting discourse today as well, the same as last time. I have a few comments, brief remarks to make. One is that I find one of the fundamental differences between Buddhist psychology and Western psychology is the fact that the Buddha highlighted also in many ways a kind of nature therapy.
Yeah, right.
Rukkamula gatova, aranya gatova, sunya jara gatova. And I find that when I take people particularly and meditate in the woods or in a park, there is even a greater connection in terms of its benefits individually. So that's one element. The second element, which I find, is that psychology as a field of experimental study in the West began somewhere around in the 1954s. Whereas in the case of us in South Asia, Sri Lanka and India in particular, it's something which emanated from the Buddha.
Yeah.
So what I would like to also, the third point, what I would like to find out is, do you have any kind of discourse with allopathic Western psychiatric practitioners in Sri Lanka about these things? Because there is now an increasing awareness and understanding among neuroscientists in the West about the importance of Buddhist psychology. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Your comments are commendable. Actually, there are actually in the future lectures, I will explain those methods, right? There are many. I have made, I think, nearly 8 or 9 graphs, because we cannot explain them all in a short lecture like this. Therefore, I have given the graphs and I will explain them. I have made many methods, right? Depending on the Buddhist discourses, right? Yeah. We can compare them with the modern techniques, actually. Yeah, I am very happy that you are thinking. I think you are a scholar in Buddhism, no? Or
I'm not a scholar, not by comparison with you, sir. No. I'm just an ordinary Buddhist.
It's okay, but however, you have understood what is Buddhism is.
But do you have discourses with Western trained psychiatrists in Sri Lanka? Do they listen to you? Is there any dialogue between you and them?
Yeah, actually, now there is one Matthew Eldridge in London, right? He followed our course, because we have courses in MA, in diploma, postgraduate MA, diploma, etc. He followed, and also recently another lady from USA followed. And there are many foreign students who have followed these courses. But Matthew Eldridge, he's also in the hospital service. He has opened in London, I think, the psychiatric center called Manasa. Then now he is going to do a PhD in this field in one of the universities in London.
Thank you, sir. That's fine, sir. That is in London, and there are many places in the West, in London, in Germany, in the United States, where universities have opened up separate departments in these areas. But what about the status of medicine in Sri Lanka? Do the allopathic Western trained medical specialists engage with you? Do they study with your diplomas?
No, very rarely we have, but some doctors in allopathic system have followed these courses, but still they have not started such research centers or something like that.
Thank you, sir.